Oh, wow, look at this. I'm in trouble now. And here comes Johnny. Those guys helped us tremendously. Getting her wound up, ready to go. Black Smoke Toys action down the track. All right. Coming up next, the Red Scorpion. We'll find out how bad this thing is. Red Scorpion's getting ready to run right here, folks. You could buy a raffle ticket and you could be involved. It only takes one to win. Of course, you buy 3. Okay. Well, we would not want to be late to the swine show. Definitely. The Green Reaper is coming our way, folks. Enough said. Chad Darlage, Seymour, Indiana. He's got her wound out. And that's about it. We're getting her wound up and ready to go. Perfect Storm, Dan Hensley. Love the names. Bucky Binder, our next puller, and that's Dexter Sims from Carlisle. Well, no, wait a minute. High maintenance with Josh Miley from Evansville, Indiana, or Princeton, Indiana, and then we're going to have the Bucky Binder. It's trifocals, Charlie. And I didn't get the bugs dusted off quick enough so I can see what was next. You think you ate one? One. All right. One probably won't hurt you. A lot of protein with a hard shell, soft shell. Get it wound up, ready to go. Local guy here, Josh Miley, high maintenance. There's the pull for Josh Miley. All the pulls fit very, very close. All good ones here tonight. Lucas Oil hot truck tractor pull. We're in the last of the Lucas Oil tractors. So we'll pull the 12,000 pound NA class coming up in just a moment. And the pull is 264 even. 264 even. Josh Miley. Lucky Finder up next. Dexter Sims, Carlisle, Kentucky is going to be our next puller. Blue and white, green outfit. Yeah. I mean, you know, some people do this in 6 to 8 months' time. Others, it takes years. All right, back to the pulling action here this evening. Lucky Finder. Now we know how that tractor got its night rider. Oh, look at that. What? Wow, that's the ugliest looking thing I've ever seen. Yeah, the hard shells are coming. I think that thing had cancer. Very well, determined deer. Cargill, Engler Machine, Pro-Cyber Seed Corn, Consolidated Training Bars, Bob Atlanta Smith,